Éamon.
Look at Daddy. Where are you going? You done? We're gonna have to. Oh my goodness.
How'd you like those baked beans?
Covered. Do you want a cookie? Oh man. Cookie. Do you want some ice cream? We have ice cream.
Oh, there's the sunset. And Grandma's here. Éamon was doing something very funny, but I don't think he's going to do it now. You're welcome. There it was.
Oh, there it is again.
You're welcome.
Do that
See,
again.
for some reason, he thinks that you're supposed to say thank you after you sneeze. And so he's pretending to sneeze.
Here's a cookie.
You're welcome. And then saying thank you. I don't know where that came from. But there it is.
Cookie.
And now he has a cookie.
Cookie. Tell Mom thank you for cookie.
No. Here's some chocolate.
No.
You ever want some chocolate?
Ooh, and chocolate. Chocolate truffles?
Whoa.
That's pretty swanky.
He likes good chocolate. Thanks to Grandma.
Cookie.
Alrighty then.